Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a nail dip haul. Revel Nails, if you've never seen Revel Nails, it is all over like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. If you've not seen Revel Nails, here's the card that was in the package. And yes, we are going to do my little nubs here in another video. I want to try to anyway, but it's called Revel Nails. And they have a clearance sale going. It's been going since the spring, and in the spring I did order a couple things. I'll leave that video linked up above, and they still have that sale, and everything I got was $4. Now I am missing one dip. I have already emailed them, just waiting to get an email back. I'm missing one, so either they didn't have it in stock or they left it out, but I've already emailed them. So here's what I got. It did come in a FedEx bubble mailer. I went ahead and took it out of that so I could see what I got, and I'm glad I did because I'm missing one. But it did come in this nice little bubble wrap of its own, and I'm just going to take them out and show you guys. Now the really nice thing is, some of these are 1 ounce jars. 1 ounce jars. All of these are autumn toned. They had all different kinds of colors though. Pinks, greens, blues, purples, neutrals. But I just gravitated to all those autumn tones because I'm so ready for autumn. I do have a little bit of a cough going. It's been with me for a couple weeks, so it's just not going away. Here's the difference. This is a 1/2 ounce, and this is kind of like what you find at Sally's Beauty. It's a 1/2 ounce. This is 1 ounce. So that's the size difference. So this one is a really pretty gray sparkle. It is, and these came from like the advent calendars, freebies, things they just made to like, not their standard inventory. So this one came from their advent calendar of 2021, and it was day 13, and it is a beautiful silver gray sparkle. And I know all these are sealed on the inside. Yes, they are. Oh, do I have some tweezers? Do I have some tweezers? I do have tweezers. Let's go and get this lid off without making a mess. There's what it looks like. In the lid. Oh my gosh. I do have a bag here so I can throw these away. And I'm just going to barely tilt it so you guys can see, or else I will make a mess. But that is beautiful. So I have that one. The one they left out was a purpley one, and so my heart was broken. It was so pretty. So I hope they still have it. If they don't, I was like, can you please refund me the, it was $4.79. So it was some of the regular stock that had been marked down, and it was one of the half ounce jars. This one is more of, I believe it's a brown. Yeah, it's a brownie tone with shimmer. And I'll tell you what that one was. Let me shake her down in the, oh, it looks like milk chocolate with shimmer. You know I love my shimmers. So yeah, $4 for a 1 ounce jar. I mean, come on. Advent calendar 2021, but this was day 20. I didn't show you the bottom of the other one. This was the other one. This was day 13, the gray one. Okay, I've done both of those. This one, it is Advent calendar 2021, and it was day 14. Look at that. Look. Oh my gosh, let's open it. So I don't know what I'm going to do my nails with today. Oh my gosh. That is going to be perfect for Halloween. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll go ahead and throw that in the bag. But yes, that is going to be perfect for Halloween. I was going to do my nails with the purple today, but it didn't come. I'm so sad. So this one is Black Friday Freebie 2 for 2020. So like I said, this is just old stock that they're trying to move out. Let's see if I can get them sealed. And they all do come like sealed. So you got to pop that seal off so you can get in there. Okay, this seal's not popping off so great. Here we go. And there's what the lid looks like. Okay, I'm gonna shake her down. Oh, so pretty. Now you're looking at my nubs, and I have my nails lift. They have been lifting for quite a while. You can get lifting nails with psoriasis, and guys, I do have like psoriasis, so it can affect your nails. It can cause pitting, it can cause ridges, it can cause lifting, and I can get my nails back out where they're pretty, and all I have to do is just bump against something with my nails, and they'll lift up from the nail bed, and then they look terrible. This one is the hot chocolate stocking stuffer, and I do have the cocoa one that goes with this. I got it on the last one. This one's toasted marshmallow. I think it's called spiked cocoa. It's a really pretty gold. I think I used it in my last mani. I think I've already took it back to the my bathroom. I have all my nail stuff in the bathroom because I don't have room for it out here. Okay. Both of those little seals come out on that. This is just, can't even see it because it's just like a vanilla. It's a vanilla. So that one's toasted marshmallow. And these are the 1/2 ounce jars. Last one is called Secret. This one was in their regular stock. It was on sale for $4.79 for 1/2 ounce. And it is Secret. Okay. Trying to get that one off of there. I can get the in one go. Yes, I did. And it's just a really pretty, in the swatch on the website, it looked deeper than this. So and it probably will look deeper once you get the actual liquids on there. It looks like a really pretty kind of wine mauve, like a very deep mauve rose kind of, as you can see here. Very pretty, full to the top too. Lord have mercy. That is the Revel, my Revel Nails. And in the next video, guys, we will do a video. I'm going to use my new Melody Susie. I haven't used it yet because I didn't want to mess up the nails I had on. But there is a unboxing on this guy as well. I haven't tried it yet. So this next video, we're going to use it. I'm going to try to do a mani for you guys. I've never done it. I am not going to be doing tips. I have been doing tips, but I'm just going to dip my little short nubbies and see how that goes and just let my nails grow. But that's it, guys. I am going to attempt doing my little short nubs. Which color should I do? I'm thinking I want the gray, because I have some other colors of gray I can mix with it. Which one was that one? This one. I have some other grays I can do with that from other brands. One of which is this really pretty silver I'll show you in the next video. I'm going to keep this one Revel. Alright, guys. If you want to see me attempt a nail dip tutorial or just watch me do it, it's not going to be a tutorial. You're just going to watch me do it because I'm still learning. But I've gotten kind of good at it. Not like great, but I'm getting better with every set of nails I do. I get a little bit better. All right, guys, we're going to call this one done. I'll see you on the next one.